Well, this is how it looked when I picked it up. An electric bike-shaped object covered in stickers, tape, and what I can only describe as neglect. This is a Jetson OTG Elite, very popular at Costco. I mean, very popular when it's working. I found this on Facebook Marketplace. The seller said, quote, "Neglected for a while due to flat tire. Bike still works, aka, please take this out of my hands." It even came with a charger. Let's see if we can bring this thing back to life. First thing you notice, stickers. Stickers everywhere. This bike has more stickers than paint. Someone really committed to the craft of covering every surface. Brake handle is loose. Not like a little wobbly loose, like it's thinking about leaving. Wheels are filthy. The front fender is cracked. Tires are done. Not low, not worn done. These need to be replaced. Both pedals are cracked. Whatever happened to this bike? It happened equally on both sides. But the seat's surprisingly nice. Plush, comfortable, gel cushion. This bike has one good thing going for it, and it's the part you sit on. I'll take it. There's a $6 price sticker on the rear wheel. Someone valued this entire wheel at $6. I'm not sure they were wrong. Blue tape on frame and wiring harness. Whoever did this wasn't fixing problems. They were hiding them for the next guy. Hi, I'm the next guy. There's a bee on the wheel, just chilling. Even the bee is like, what happened here? Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if this thing actually powers on. And it does. 2,477 miles on the odometer. So someone rode this thing. A lot. Alright, let's see where we stand. 2 green checks out of 8. Not too bad. Let's get started. Do you still remember this blue tape? Let's find out what's underneath. Yeah, the wire to the hub motor completely chewed up by the tire. Honestly, I'm surprised this thing still works. We'll get it fixed properly. Let's take a look at the brakes. Zoom in. See that uneven wear on the brake pads? That means the disc isn't aligned with the caliper. One of the pads is completely gone. We are down to bare metal. Rear tire is completely flat and no valve. The question is, it get punctured tube or no tube at all? Let's find out. So, here is the tube. The valve is completely ripped off. Plus, it's a 14-inch tube and a 16-inch wheel. Previous owner stretched the smaller tube to fit. That's why it failed. You can't cheat physics. Never seen this before. Do you still remember that condition report earlier? Now I have all parts ready. 7 green checks out of 7. Not too bad. Let's put it all together. Alright, let's see the result. Moment of truth. That's it. From stickers then paint, and more problems than parts to a fully functional e-bike again. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more two-wheel rescues. See you on the next one.